Hey everybody, it's Tanya from scrappychicks.com and I am showing you my miniature Christmas tree in my new craft room. So it does not look like anything in the box. So I got this at Walmart and my new craft room colors are purple, gray, pink, and navy blue. And there are hints of other colors, but those are the base colors of my room, my new room, that I'm going to be doing a tour on. That's a different video for a different day. But so my Christmas tree, I wanted to reflect those colors. And so I'm showing you what my tree looks like. It's fiber optic Christmas tree. And right now I only have the purple and the pink Christmas balls put on there, but I'm going to spruce up this tree. But I wanted to show you the before tree, and then I'm going to be making ornaments to go on this tree, and then I'll show you the after. But I think it's hilarious. This tree looks nothing like the box. So it is a miniature tree, and I'll try and back up. I'm sorry if I make you a little sick there. So it's on like a bookcase, like a small bookcase that's big enough to hold like DVDs. Is about the size. So now you can try and see the tree and its true size. And I got a cute little tree skirt, but I'm not 100% happy with the tree skirt. I really want one that has pink and purple, so I'll be getting a new tree skirt. Sorry if I'm making you dizzy. But I wanted to also show you the box. So you can see this is clearly a white tree with fiber optic lights, and it's great. I love it. But the box, and I'm sorry, I'm going to ping you around to the box. So the box, as you can see on the box, and my overhead light is reflecting down, but, okay, that's probably better. The box actually shows the tree purple and pink, not a white base. And maybe you can see that a little bit better. So I just want to let you know, I love this tree, and that is fine that it's like that. But I wanted to show you the fiber optics do not light up the tree, and the tree is not purple and pink. So as you can tell, I'm going to spin you around. The tree is actually white. So it looks nothing like the box. So if you go to Walmart, and it's $16, it's a 32-inch white fiber optic Christmas tree. Yes, it changes colors, but the tree base itself is white. So if you're looking for a pastel tree, which this is out of my comfort zone here. So I am a hardcore traditional color type of holiday girl. So I think red and green should be the only colors for Christmas. But so this is way, way out of my comfort zone. So for me to be working on pastel ornaments soon for this tree, that's going to be an interesting tutorial. But anyway, traditional Christmas colors do not match my craft room. So, and again, I'll be doing a tour of my craft room later. I've been very blessed this year with a craft room. My oldest son moved out, so Mama took over his room. With his blessing. I had his blessing first. So I'll be doing a craft tour. I finally do not have to scrapbook or paper craft at my kitchen table. So after almost 21 years of scrapbooking, I know I finally have a room. So I've been blessed. But anyway, I just wanted to show you my tree. I'm getting excited for Christmas. And no, I have not forgotten about Thanksgiving. So, but I am starting to decorate my little craft room for Christmas. And working ahead, like all other crafters, we're like the retail world. We work months ahead on things. So I am working on fall tutorials, but I'm also working on Christmas at the same time. So very interesting. But I just wanted to show you my fiber optic tree. Thank you for looking. Have a great day. Bye-bye. It's Tanya again. A side note that I wanted to let you know about this tree is it plugs in with a USB port, or it has a USB plug on the end. So if you wanted to plug it into your computer, you could. So that's a cool feature. So I have it plugged into a drop cord, and then I have the USB plug. So I just wanted to share with you this tree has a USB plug, which I thought was a cool feature. All right, thanks. Bye.